Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve remaining question of chapter 2 fractions and decimal for class 7. For first 15 question, watch part 1 video. Link is given in description. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with question number 16. If the numerator and the denominator of a proper fraction are increased by the same quantity, then the resulting fraction is dash. Here we take the proper fraction 1 by 2. Here 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator, and proper fraction means the numerator is always less than the denominator. So here numerator and denominator we increase by same quantity. Resulting fraction will be 2 by 3. So this resulting fraction is always greater than the original fraction. So here A is correct answer. Question number 70, simplify this. So here we first solve this. Here we first make their denominator and same and then we add. So our answer will be 3 by 2. Then we solve this. Here 1 minus 1 by 2 gives 1 by 2. Now here division, then 4 by 7. Now we solve this. We make the denominator same by finding LCM. LCM is 10. So here we multiply by 2. Here answer is 7 by 10 of. Now here we solve this first and this gives 5 by 6. Now we will solve this. This give 1 by 6. Now here we take the reciprocal of this, 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. Divide by, here 7 will get cancel. So 4 by 10 of. Here also we take reciprocal of this, 5 by 6 into 6 by 1. This 6 will get cancelled. Here this 2 will get cancelled. So 3 divided by 4 by 10 of. Of means into, here 5. So we first solve off. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So our answer is 3 divided by 2 means 3 by 2. So here C is correct answer. Question number 18. Find the perimeter of triangle ABC and rectangle BCDE. Here we have to find a perimeter of ABC triangle and rectangle BCDE. So this length same and this length is same. So we first find out the perimeter of triangle ABC. Perimeter is length of all sides, means this plus this plus this. So 4 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 2 3 by 5. So we first convert this mixed fraction. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus here 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 3 13. 13 by 5. So here their denominator are different. So we make them same by finding their LCM. LCM is 60. So here we multiply by, here by 15 and here by 12. So denominator is 60. 40 into 20 is 280. 3 into 15 45. And 13 into 12 156. And 280 plus 45 plus 156 is 481. We convert it into mixed fraction. So 60 into 8 is 480 and this one 481. So perimeter of triangle ABC is 8 1 by 60. Now we will find the perimeter of rectangle BCDE is equal to addition of 4 length, means 2 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 plus 2 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2. So we will convert it here. 2 into 5 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 by 5 plus 5 by 2 plus 13 by 5 plus 5 by 2. Now we add these two and these two. So 13 plus 13 26 by 5 plus 10 by 2. So we make their denominator same by finding LCM. LCM is 10. So here we multiply by 2 and here by 5. 26 into 2 is 52 and 10 into 5 is 50. 50 by 10. And 52 plus 50 is 102 by 10. Here 2 5s are 10 and 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are 2, means 51 by 5. Now we convert it into mixed fraction. So here 5 tens are 50 and 1 51. So the perimeter of rectangle is 10 1 by 5 centimeter. Here C is correct answer. Question number 19. A farmer has 192 animals, out of which 7 by 16 are cattle. 2 by 3 of cattle are dairy cows. How many dairy cows he has? So he has total number of 192 animals, and out of 192 animals he has 7 by 16 cattle, means fraction of cattle 7 by 16 of 192. So here 16 ones are 16, 16 ones are 16, 3 remaining, 16 twos are 32 and 7 into 12 is 84. So number of cattle he has 84, and out of 84 he has 2 by 3 of dairy cow, means 84 into 2 by 3 is equal to, here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 2 remaining, 3 eights are 24, means 28 into 2 is equal to 56. So he has 56 dairy cows. C is correct answer. Question number 20. Find the distance travelled by Swati in 3 1/2 hours if she travelled 13.27 km in each hour. Here given she travelled 13.27 km in 1 hour. So here 3 1/2 hours distance travelled by Swati is equal to 13.27 into 3 1/2. So 13.27 into, here 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2. So 13.27 into 7 is equal to 92.89. Divide by 2 gives 46.445. So here C is correct answer. Question number 21. Akshit, Rajat, Sanjay and Nikunj each took the same spelling test. Akshit spelled 7 by 10 of the words correctly. Rajat spelled 3 by 4 of the words correctly. Sanjay spelled 4 by 5 of the words correctly. Nikunj spelled 2 by 3 of the words correctly. Who spelled the least number of words correctly? So here we first make their denominator same for comparison. So here we find out the LCM of 10, 4, 5 and 3. LCM is 60. So here we multiply by 6, here by 15, here 12 by 12 and here by 20. So 7 into 6 is 42, then fraction will be 42 by 60, here 45 by 60, here 48 by 60 and here 40 by 60. So here 40 by 60 is smallest fraction. Means Nikun spelled least number of words correctly. D is correct answer. Question number 22. A shopkeeper sells 63 kg of salt at rupees 28.45 per kg. How much money did he earn? So 1 kg of salt is for 28.45 rupees. Then for 63 kg of salt is equal to 28.45 into 63, which give 1792.35 rupees. So he earned 1792.35. B is correct answer. Question number 23. If 63.9805 is equal to 6a plus 3 by b plus 9c plus 8d plus 5e, then what is the value of 4a plus 7b plus 6c plus d plus 3e? So here we first find out the expanded form of 63.9805. So it is equal to 6 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 9 into 1 by 10 plus 8 into 1 by 100 plus 0, then 5 into 1 by 10,000. So here A's value is 10, B's value is 1, C's value is 1 by 10, D's value, D is in denominator, so D is equal to 100, and E's value is 1 by 10,000. So we put this A, B, C, D in this equation. 4A means 4 into 10, so 40, plus 7B means 7 into 1 means 7, plus C into 1 by 10 means 6 by 10, plus D is 100, and 3E, 3 into 1 by 10,000 means 3 by 10,000. So this gives this 100 plus 40 plus 7 is 147, then point, then 6 by 10 means 6 here, then 2 0, and then this 3. So here C is correct answer. Question number 24. Which of following statements is correct? Option A. The products of fractions are expressed as product of the numerators by product of the denominators. Suppose here 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 are two fractions, and their product is product of their numerator and product of their denominator. So here option A is correct. Question number 25. Mohit go for shopping to a mall. He brought a pair of jeans and 2 shirts. Here given the cost of store P, store Q and store R. Option 1. At which store should Mohit shop to spend the least amount of money? So he brought one pair of jeans and 2 shirts, and here given cost of one shirt. So here we need to multiply it by 2. So 222.40 into 2 is 444.80, and 224.80 into 2 is 449.60, and 204.60 into 2 is 409.20. So cost of one pair of jeans and 2 shirts at store P is addition of these two is equal to 844.50, and store Q 899.50, and store R 908.70. So Mohit spent least amount of money at store P. So here for A, P is correct answer. Store P is correct answer. Now option B is Mohit brought a pair of jeans from store R. Store R, he brought a pair of jeans means 499.50 plus one shirt from Peak Store P. One shirt from Store P means 222.40 plus another shirt from Store Q 224.80 and their addition is 946.70 and total money he had 1000 rupees. So left money is equal to 1000 minus 946.70 is equal to 53.30. So A answer is P and B answer is 53.30. So here B is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.